Male swordtails are famous for their long, sword-like tail extension, which gives the species its name. Females lack this feature, making it easy to distinguish between genders. They are livebearers, meaning they give birth to free-swimming young, rather than laying eggs. Swordtails come in a wide range of colors and patterns due to selective breeding, from bright reds and oranges to black and even green variations. These fish are very hardy and can tolerate a wide range of temperatures. They can interbreed with other species in the Xiphophorus genus, particularly Pleiades Xiphophorus maculatus, resulting in various hybrids with unique characteristics. While generally peaceful, male swordtails can be aggressive towards each other, especially in smaller tanks, as they compete for dominance and females. The male's sword-like tail isn't just for show, it's also used to attract females during courtship. Males are usually smaller than females, but their sword-like tail gives the illusion of greater length. Swordtails are very adaptable to different water conditions. These fish are often used as bioindicators in environmental studies because they can exhibit physical changes when exposed to pollutants. In some cases, female swordtails can change sex and develop male characteristics, including the sword-like tail extension, especially if there are few males in the environment. This phenomenon is called late sex maturation. In the wild, swordtails are known to swim in large groups or shoals, which provides them with protection against predators and enhances their social interaction. Swordtails have an impressive ability to reproduce frequently, with females capable of storing sperm from males and using it to fertilize multiple broods over time, even if there are no males present. Swordtails have been extensively studied in genetic research, particularly in the field of evolutionary biology. Their hybridization with other species and their natural mutations make them valuable for studying the genetic basis of traits like pigmentation, sexual selection, and behavior.